Located between the northern tip of Laguna de Bay and cave-like contouring foothills, Angono is better known as a community with a unique cultural life and history. This town is famous for it is the home of some great artists, musicians, and sculptors. Hailed as the art capital of the Philippines, Angono has been popularly known as the cradle of the artistic abilities and creative expression. For one thing, this lakeshore town has produced two national artists, Lucio San Pedro for music and Carlos Botong Francisco for painting. Predating the artworks of Tandang Wancho are the Angono petroglyphs. Discovered by Botong in the 1960s, these rock engravements in Layang-Layang Cave are the oldest artworks in the Philippines, dating back to 3000 BC. But for more purpose, we decided to add a museum on the site said, which contains some old fossils and artifacts of the ancient times found here in Rizal. The Gigantes Festival brings to mind that even before the 1986 EDSA People Power, the town folks of Angono have already staged a political protest through non-violent creative means. Angono is the home of the artists. In fact, there is a school for the arts in the town which serves as the home for selected students to show and enhance their skills and talent, the regional pilot school for the arts. Aside from these are the murals in every street in Angono, and the San Clemente Church, and the different artistic works of the people living in this town.
Samba from me to Manila with the hitting and drums. You actually shake it up and give some like no more drama. And check the lyrics, just really please throw it at that. No one keeps solving, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, see pieces of heaven.
What a very artistic town it is. This is Angono, Rizal. Today, Angono's main attractions are its homegrown art galleries, which are among the best in the country. Completing the Rizal experience, the delegates and visitors were led to museum and galleries around Angono, like the Blanco Museum and the Nemeranda Art House.